In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research with Ubersuggest. As you might know, keyword research is a crucial step in developing a successful content strategy, whether you're creating a blog, enhancing your website, or planning a marketing campaign. Ubersuggest, a tool developed by Patel, simplifies this process, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make it as efficient and productive as possible. First, let's start by heading over to Ubersuggest. Simply open your web browser and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Here, you'll want to enter a topic or keyword that is relevant to your niche. Let's say, for example, you're in the fitness industry. You might type something like fitness hacks. Once you've entered your keyword, go ahead and hit the search button. Now let's move on to analyzing the keyword data that Ubersuggest provides. You'll be presented with various metrics, but the main ones you want to focus on are the search volume, SEO difficulty, and CPC, which stands for cost per click. The search volume tells you how many people are searching for that particular keyword each month. The SEO difficulty provides an insight into how challenging it would be to rank on the first page for that keyword, with a lower score indicating easier competition. Lastly, CPC is relevant if you plan to use paid advertisements, as it indicates the average cost for each click you might have to pay. Your goal is to pick keywords that have a good search volume but are not too competitive, meaning they have relatively low difficulty scores. Once you've reviewed the basic metrics, it's time to explore further by clicking on the Keyword Ideas section. Here, Ubersuggest will offer suggestions that include related keywords, questions people ask like how to, and long-tail keywords, which consist of 3 or more words strung together. Long-tail keywords often have lower competition and can be easier to rank for. This variety can help you refine your keyword selection and focus on phrases that are more actionable and specific to your audience's needs. To deepen your analysis, click on a particular keyword to discover the top pages that currently rank for it. Take a look at how these pages utilize the keyword within their titles, headings, and throughout their content. This will give you an idea of how you might structure your own content to optimize for that keyword. Finally, don't forget to save your keywords. You can either jot them down manually or use the export feature to easily download them into a spreadsheet. This will be invaluable when planning your content strategy so you can effectively integrate these keywords into your future projects. And that's it! You've now learned how to expertly navigate Ubersuggest for keyword research. With these insights, you can direct your digital strategy towards success and drive more traffic to your content. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!